Hi, I'm Stephen Gallagher. I'm the Product Marketing Manager here at MoSys, and we're excited to be at IBC, where we're launching for the first time our MoRail. So MoRail is the product just that you can see over my shoulder here. It's intended specifically for newsrooms and sports broadcast. It can be used in virtual sets with tracked scenes. Alternatively, you can use it in a traditional newsroom environment. So what MoRail is doing is enabling creative shots with a PTZ camera. So that's something that would normally be quite expensive and very complicated to achieve. What we got is the ability to raise the legs to set the height of MoRail and the camera to match the presenter. So if you've got a presenter that's in a sitting position, or perhaps somebody that's in standing, then you can raise that, and then you can program the movement of the camera as you wish. You're going to get 100 different programmable points, so you can have entirely repeatable and accurate shots throughout your programming. And what we're doing is we're creating a parallax in the scene, in the shot. So it becomes really immersive and it draws the viewer in. So this is a real game changer. It's going to be hitting the market at a price point also that is going to be, I think, quite disruptive. There's been a heck of a lot of interest in this here at the show. And yeah, so we're really excited to bring that to market. There's some other new goodies that we've got as well. You might have heard that we are going to be retiring the product that we're probably most well known for, which is StarTracker. We're going to replace that with StarTracker Max. So StarTracker Max is, we've improved the accuracy of this. It's significantly smaller and therefore very light. So it becomes much more, I guess, easy to use. And yeah, a lot of interest in this, and please come and have a look. The other product that we've got that we're excited to show is the new baby of the family, and that's StarTracker Mini. StarTracker Mini is intended for post-production houses, experimentation, maybe, I don't know, education, things like this, where you're not quite ready to go to live production and into the studio. You can do all of the, like I say, experimentation, learning, that type of thing with StarTracker Mini. So that's the snapshot of what we've got here on the standard IBC. Please check us out. You can go to MoSys.com.